Hi friends, how are you? As you can see this mobile Calaspo U31 8AA. As you can see in this mobile FRB bypass problem. So I want to remove FRB bypass Google account verification unlocked. So first of all you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot in this mobile and then I will show you about this mobile problems. So do it. If you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. You can see there are copy apps and data, so don't copy these options. Just a second, there are some problem. So verify pattern screen lock, you can see, but I have not remember this pattern lock, so I want to verify this by Google account. So friends, they are processing, and here you can see verify your accounts Google account, but I have not remember that Gmail. So how to bypass this mobile without Gmail? So first of all you have to go back on setup. You have to click version settings. After that open talkback settings. So friends, open talkback and do it. So now you have to swipe L. As you can see, swipe L for settings and click talkback settings. Double tap it. After that you have to press volume up and down. Press volume up and down to disable the talkback settings. Again press, and now you have to scroll down. After that you have to click Braille keyboard and set up Braille keyboards. After that you can see Gboard and click Gboards. There is plus door open, and now you have to click three dots. You can see, click on settings and general, notification, accounts. Now friends, click on Play Store icon. You can see their icon. Click on icon and then you have to select permission options. After that you can see search bar and this options and click there. You have to search settings. Enter settings word. They are loading, but some word, remove it. Remove this word. Again S. And now you have to scroll down. As you can see there are settings, app, and open this app settings. So this mobile settings is open now. Now you have to apps and notification and force stop Android setup app. Go back, scroll down and disable Google Play service. After that you have to go back. So friends, if you are new on my channel then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now friends, again click Vision settings and use talkback. And talkback settings, follow step by step. Again you have to disable, you have to enable that disable applications. Use two finger to disable talkback settings. And Gboards, three dots, settings, general, notification, account, app icon, permission and settings. Search this and now scroll down, open settings mobile. Now you have to click on apps and Google Plus service, enable it. Search, enable this application. After that go back on that setup. So friends, follow my step by step. You are new on my channel then subscribe my channel. Click start this application, escape it. Now you have to disable Wi-Fi hotspot. You have to set up this mobile offline. Press go back. You can see there are icon, gesture, or back, and setup offline. Click it, continue without Wi-Fi. Just a second, Google service is unlocked. You can see there are Google services unlocked. Now you have to accept this requirement. Finally, this mobile FRP bypass is removed and you can unlock this mobile easy. So this is setup. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. So bye and take care.